Hello and welcome to this short training video on KWIZ Forms. In this video, we'll learn how to update a SQL Server external value. We are on the external value setting page and we will add a new external value. We'll enter a name such as update product inventory, and for the URL, we'll select get value from SQL database, so we already have a good starting point. For the connection name, KWIZ Forms allows administrators to define a connection in the web.config of the web application, as we did in this example. This way, the users cannot see the username and password for a connection, even if they have access to the external values setting page. I will copy and paste the connection, which is called CRM, and put it in the connection name over here. To make it easier, I will delete the rest of the URL and then use the request body and data here to write the rest of my SQL command. I will start by writing command equal, and then I will go to SQL Server where I already prepared my query. As you see, this SQL query subtracts a quantity from the available quantity where the product ID equals 1. I will copy this query in the KWIZ Forms external value setting page, and then make sure that everything is set up properly so we don't have any extra breaks. And the next step, I want to make sure that it's all dynamic. So instead of leaving the 10 hard-coded here, I will enter a token for the quantity, which I will name QTY for quantity. And then for the product ID, I want it to be a token as well, so I will put product ID. As you know, tokens are entered between square brackets. I do not need to enter a username or a password since all my connection information is in the connection name, and in the expect data type return, I'll return number, and I will select no cache. Now let's validate that all this works. I'll click on the validate button, and here I have to enter something for my quantity token as well as for my product ID. So what we will do to make sure that everything works, I will do a select here. You see we have product ID number 1, which has an available quantity of 130. So if everything works correctly, let's take out 10 items from product ID 1. After I click on validate, the service will return nothing because we don't have any select to give us the information back. But if I go back to SQL Server and I run an execute, you see the available quantity went to 120. Because we had 130 before, but now we went to 120. So our update external value worked correctly. Thank you for watching this video on how to update a SQL Server external value on KWIZ Forms.